Okay, so hi guys. My name is Osi. I am Magister, and today I am going to be opening these two stuff. This is so exciting. My father bought it for me. Take a quick look at my father. Quick. Turn the camera.
No, how to remain behind the scenes.
Okay, he doesn't want to be in camera. So I will take a picture, send it to you on Instagram, and you can follow me on Twitter. Let's take a minute.
You don't have a Twitter.
I have a Twitter, but my daddy is just so. Okay, I'll shout out to you a quick picture of my hamsters tomorrow evening, and tonight I'll be sending out a picture of my father to everyone. On Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or something. And my dad bought this for me. Now I'm gonna open it. Let's brag about how animated and pretty this is. As you can see, it has a white dot here. That's a shine for the Pokeball. As you can see, it is so lovely. It is shining. And my father here bought me it. Send it on you now, Daddy.
I love this.